Hello, this is Don with Clan Rubicon. For today's episode of Local Trails, we will be returning to Little Moab. Drive it like you stole it. You said your name is?
Isaiah. Billy. Dustin.
Shaylee.
And your name again?
Tyson.
Isaiah, Billy, and Tyson picked up a Dodge 1500 for $150 to see what it could do out at Little Moab. When I met them, they were trying to squeeze it through the mosh pit. I thought it was too big to make it, but with a little downsizing on the rocks, Red Reckette Ralph made it through just fine. After testing suspension flex in the mosh pit, it was time to see how Red Reckette Ralph could climb. Red Ralph has open gears in the front and a genuine Lincoln locker in the rear. With Tyson at its wheel, Red Reckette Ralph climbed its way to the top. The buggy line is one of the toughest at Little Moab. Scatterdad has a video of a rock buggy rolling off of this line from the top all the way down to the bottom. Regardless, Tyson and Red Reckette Ralph have accepted the challenge. Drive it like you stole it. The only reason Tyson stopped is because at this angle, the suction line in the transmission could no longer pick up transmission fluid, and he lost all his gears.
You're gonna come back a foot.
He could not go forward, he could not go back, and had to take a strap.
Keep going, Isaiah. Okay.
All the body damage that you see was done during its maiden voyage to Little Moab. Once they had Red Reckette Ralph back on his tires, transmission function returned to normal. They drove Ralph back to camp to top off the transmission with an extra quart of transmission fluid, with plans to return the following day and try again. Sadly, I had to return home and miss what I am sure was a spectacular show put on by Red Reckette Ralph, Round 2. Special thanks to Isaiah, Billy, and Tyson for bringing Red Reckette Ralph out to Little Moab and putting on a good show. Please like, subscribe, and share. And leave any questions, comments, or snide remarks below. Thank you for watching.